Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to BitcoinMF. This content is not a financial advice. Quick update on the daily BTC market as the way I see it, okay? So this is the daily chart and we have some resistance lines and support lines. And right now the price is going up like we all know. And it seems that we're gonna retest this level, okay? And everybody is going bull and all is happy. And I try to look at it a little bit different, okay? So let's dive right into it. This is the regular candles, I use the Bitcoin MF strategy and the BB bands, and for the Bitcoin MF strategy to work, I use the Heiken Ashi candles because that's the way it works. And now I can watch the market the way I watch it and share it with you, okay? Also, I open up the indicators I use, the regular ones, and okay. So we see that we had yesterday like a sell-off, which kind of fell, and price shoots up again, and people go long, and people are screaming bull and 7K and 6K and 8K and moon K. Okay, but I say that things are more complicated always, and it doesn't mean that we still going up. We do have a chance to test this line. I'm not denying this, okay? But me personally is still there because I don't think that we actually gonna touch this. Or even if we touch this and even if we break this through, I think it will still go up. So still go down, sorry. So we follow and we see. But what I wanted to say that I wanted to think about something. We can see this nice move from here. It went up a little bit down and went up. So if everybody is long, and this is what I get from the forums I read and all the people I know, and everybody is you know how it is when the price goes up, everybody is bull. So I also want to be bull, okay, but I want to be bull in the right time. So this doesn't mean I'm right, but it's what I think, and that's all I only share with you. So okay, you can of course counter trade or think something else. It's all good. But for me not to write the same things in the server, I decide to put this on the video. So maybe the people who are on the server, they can follow and see really what I mean and what I think, and to deliver my thought better to my followers. Okay, so I see a thing like this. I see that the price goes up, but the RSI, it doesn't make a new high, and it signals me the bearish divergence. Okay, I see the stochastic RSI is showing a little bit of weakness, but it also can trick us and print the headroom here, so the price will go up and the headroom will be printed and the RSI will go up and everybody will be happy. But I think this is not will be the case. Also, we are at the top of the BB, and as you know, if you follow, I always love to watch the top of the BBs on every time frame, and when it reaches the top, it means that usually it goes back to the range of the BB. But of course it can break out before, because when it breaks out it also opens a lower range of the BB, and also it traps traders and makes money to the whales, so why not? So this is the daily. I also look at the 12 hours. If you follow, you know, almost the same, just to break it down, to into two halves of the day. I use it also. It's more convenient. But here we can see, you see that the volume is adding up, and if we need this, bulls need the volume, okay? They need the volume to be added in the buy volume, because if no buy volume, this will not can be sustained, and it will drop and search for support on other level, on a lower level. Sorry. Okay, 1 hour. 1 hour we can see that also we are the top BB. We try to pull up, but right now it's like searching for support kind of. And I also look at the RSI, the level 50, because I look at it more general way. That's when it's above 50, we are like kind of a bull phase, and when we below 50, we kind of a bear phase. So if this is the case, and now the RSI will break, okay, it can break the 50, maybe it can bounce also, but I don't know, we have to wait. But if it comes to here and bounces though, so we continue to be up and we go more up. And if it breaks down, so it's either we're going to trap more bears in the short term, or it's gonna start a new negative phase, which is what me personally like better, because I'm short, okay, if you didn't understand. Okay, 30 minutes, we see that it's kind of trying to recover and trying to go up again, but the MACD is telling us maybe it will not go up so quick. Okay, but again, when I see 2-3 candles that are already red, I use cautions, because it can shoot up right to here and maybe to here and maybe even more, just to take those traders that enter here for the short. It's like they want to catch the top. Okay, so me personally, I don't want to catch the top. I think of it of catch a move. I don't care if the move is top, middle, bottom, left. I don't care. I want to catch a move. If I chase the top, if I chase the bottom, market pushes me out, grinds me out, and whatever. I don't want to use worse words, okay? Anyways, 15 minutes, the scalper time frame, as I call it. You see, it goes down, 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 down. People start to feel the pressure. They go short. Boom. It goes up a little bit, puts them in water. It goes down again. Takes out the stops and goes down again. Okay. So this is. You see what's happening here on the 15 minutes. Whoever longed here, which is cool. Okay, very good. Every time it's trying to sell off, every time these little sell-offs are happening, in my opinion, more people are placing their stops here, and as it goes here, and as it goes here, and the trailing stops here, and all the stops here, and all the stops here, and people who want to buy and they want to go long, but they think that it's the end of the move, they don't go long now on the top. They say, "Oh, I will wait if it drops." If it drops, then I will buy, because I'm not Dumbo. So yes, so we put a buy limit here, and they put a buy limit here, and all of this is a buy limit, and all of this is a stops, okay? And what we get here, and what we get on the daily, if we look at this, it is the same. What we get a bunch of orders waiting to be filled, okay? And usually market, this is what it does. It fills the orders. That's how it moves. Okay, so this is the chart for today. This is my thoughts. Of course, market can liquidate me. It doesn't ask me what to do, but this is how I see it for today. Another small thing I wanted to show you today is this site. I will leave the link in the description if you didn't know this from the Discord server. So this site, the Daily Effects Plus, it has this IG client sentiment. You go, you sign up, it's free, and then you can reach this page. It has many pairs here, also of the forex, of also gold and more. And they look at the numbers of traders that are net long or net short, and they chart it, and they draw conclusion out of it. Okay. So if I go and I read what about the Bitcoin today, so it tells me that retail traders data shows that 80.3% are net long. Okay, it means that it's like most of the people are long, and this is the ratio. For every 4 people that are long, there is one person that is short. So if on this video we get 4 views, it means that I'm short and 4 of you probably bull. But I'm just kidding. But think of it for a minute. The number of traders net long is the 0.2 higher than yesterday. Okay, so there is something going on with the longs. Maybe somebody knows something, maybe somebody is wrong, but there is something going because it's higher than yesterday. Okay, so people still think it can shoot up, and it is also 3.1% lower from last week. So it also means that more people think that the move is finished because they also already closed their longs and they took the profits from the last week. Okay, so while the number of traders net short, okay, and the net short case is 2.7% lower than yesterday. Okay, it's 2% lower because people see the price is going up, so they close, and it's 8.2 higher from last week. Okay, but regarding to the week, it's actually higher. So the bigger picture says that people are shorting this now more than they short last week. And if we know that the market, it can't go like everybody profit, it goes the other way. It's the minority that profits. Always it's the few traders that profit. We know this from statistics, from all the stories. So if 80.3% are long, how can everybody profit? From where does the money come from? Do you think it will come from this remaining percent of shorts? I don't think so. It's too high percent, and this is signaling me that something is about to happen, a move is about to happen, and because it's Bitcoin and because it's crypto, we never know. Of course, it can go up and shoot for the moon like we want, but I also use caution and I try to see the things between the lines. So this is why I'm still bearish. I am calculated. This doesn't mean that you have to be bearish, but this is what is going on with me. And if you like to know what else is going on with me and what people around me, so you can find the links in the description. All is there. There is a Telegram channel with signals and patterns. There is a website also. You can read something about it there. And there is a Discord server which I post every day. And I try to make it the best way I can, okay? So this is it for today. I hope it was helpful for somebody. You can click like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want, if you want. And the most important thing is for you to trade safe and stay in profit. And I see you next time, and good luck and take care. Bye bye.